Hey, there we go. Now I'm recording RV Jerry, and I'm here with a little tip. It's on the big motorhome, and this is on the doors that cover this diesel filler. So this is what we had. It came, and these are, you can see this is a plastic piece. And then this is the door. Well, you can order these, the plastic pieces with the door that opens will cost you like $65 to $75. That's what I found on the internet. So this door is really warped, so and it keeps coming open, so it's really bad. So I added an extra catcher in here, and this we can just get rid of, and I made a nice aluminum door here, 6 by 6 piece of aluminum off of Amazon. I got myself a piano hinge, which I use quite often. I used the old door to make the shape, and that's it. I used a tiny drill to drill this and a file, and now I have a door that's straight, and it won't come open. So there you go, a tip for replacing these doors. These doors were like $4.50 a piece, not $65. That's ridiculous. Okay, that's all I have as I go around working on this motorhome, getting it repainted. A few improvements like the door there. Some hardware that's going to stay. This is RV Jerry. Thanks for watching.